Today we will start fourth lesson of civics, electoral politics or elections. In this lesson we will study what do you mean by elections, need of elections, what makes election democratic, what are the merits and demerits of elections, election procedure in India, election procedure conducted by election commission. So we will describe election commission and its role and what are the challenges to free and fair elections. What do you mean by elections? Elections, as we know, in India, people have right to vote, and people who are adults, they go to cast their vote, and by the vote they elect their representatives. So the procedure in which people go to cast their vote, they participate in voting, and after this they elect their representatives. Even they can change their representatives. Such procedure is known as election. Elections take place regularly in any democratic country, and there are more than 100 countries in the world in which elections take place to elect their representatives. So in the elections, voters make many choices. They elect those representatives who will make law for them. They elect their leaders who will make the government and will take the decision for the country. They will make the or frame the policies for the betterment of the country. Now we will start our topic. What makes an election democratic? We are saying that in the democratic country, elections are held after a regular time period. But what are the conditions to make election democratic? In any country, if there are certain conditions are followed, that makes election democratic, such as everyone should be given the right to elect their representatives. Parties and candidates should be free to contest elections. Elections must be held after regular time period, for example, such as after 5 years held in India. The candidate who get the maximum vote, that should get elected. Election should be held in a free and fair manner. If elections are not held in a free and fair manner, dirty tricks are used that also makes election undemocratic. So it is the major condition, election should be held in free and fair manner without use of dirty tricks. Now we will describe about the merits of election. Is it good to have political competition? Political competition means elections. Elections are all about political competition, and this competition take the different forms. Now, in the political competitions, there are so many good points or merits. The regular elections provides incentive to the political parties and leaders. Political parties know that if they will raise the issue that the people want to be raised, their popularity will increase and they will get the chance of their victory in the next election. It means if they will raise the demand and issues of the people, then they will get the chance of victory in the next election. If they satisfied the people, they will win the election, and in the next time also they get the chance to win the election. If they are failed to satisfy the voters, they will not able to win the elections again. If a political party is motivated only by the desire to be in power, it will be forced to serve the people. It means if the political party or leaders, they will serve the people, in the coming years, in the coming elections also, they will win the election.